Hello everyone, so today we will discuss how to deactivate your Facebook account. First, you will need an internet connection, active internet connection, and secondly, this method will work on both Android as well as iOS. So first you have to open the Facebook app. Once you have opened the Facebook app, a home page will open. Then you have to click on the top right corner on these three lines. So once you have clicked on the three lines, many options will come. So you have to go down. You will get more options because this is a new account and I've just created this account to demonstrate how to deactivate your account. So you might have more options, so don't worry about that. Just go down and at the end find settings and privacy. Just click on settings and privacy. So once you have clicked on settings and privacy, many options will come again, but you have to just choose settings. So just click on settings. So once you have clicked on settings, you have to now click on personal and account information. So once you have clicked on personal and account information, all your data will come. Just see the last option, that is account ownership and control. Just click on that. So once you have clicked on that, you will see two options. First one is not our concern right now. Second one is of our concern, that is deactivation and deletion. So just click on deactivation and deletion. Now there will be two options, deactivate account and delete account. In this case, we want to deactivate our account, that is temporary. We can always reactivate our account anytime after deactivating. So you will choose first option, that is deactivate account. So after choosing deactivate account, you have to click on continue to account deactivation. So after that, they will ask you the reason for deactivating the account. You can choose any. I will choose this is temporary. I will be back, and then you press continue. So once you press continue, then they will, the Facebook will tell you, you can log out instead and save posts in your archive and all. So you need not to worry about that. Just go to the end. It will also ask you and give you an option basically to automatically reactivate your account. If you want to automatically reactivate your account within 7 days, you can choose 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. If you don't want to reactivate automatically, you just click on don't reactivate automatically. So I've chosen don't reactivate automatically. So now you press continue. So once you have pressed continue, it will say that you can transfer your information and all. So if you want to transfer, you can just click on this transfer button and then just follow the instructions. So just go to the end and click deactivate my account. So once you press deactivate my account, the account is now deactivated. Anyone searching for you will not be able to find you until and unless you choose to reactivate your account. So how to reactivate your account? So you can simply put in your email address and password and log in and your account will be reactivated. That's all for today, guys. Hope you will find this video useful, and if it was of any help, please like the video and support me by subscribing the channel. Thank you very much.